Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new Beetles Gel Kit for you. This is their Perfect 20 kit. Comes with 20 new colors, and they do also include their base, their top coat, and their matte top coat. I'm so excited. Make sure you guys hit subscribe and that notification bell so you can know when I upload new videos. So here are the colors for this kit. These colors are gorgeous, guys, like so pretty. You're gonna see what I mean because I'm gonna do live swatches for you, and make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video because I do have my Beetles giveaway winner announcement. Again, I do want to thank Beetles for all of their support and sponsoring my giveaway. They also sent me this kit, but of course, I will always let you guys know what I think about the products, whether they're sent to me or not. Beetles is one of my favorite companies because their polishes are such good quality and super inexpensive. So that's how I found them. That's why I love them. Look at these colors. Oh, I'm so excited. They're so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. They are gorgeous. And some of these colors, if you only do one layer, they almost give like a jelly effect. So if you mix some with just like a little bit of top coat and put it on, you could get jelly nails for sure. Oh, I'm so excited. I love it. I'm going to use, I think, 2 colors out of this set for my next nail set that I'm doing. Stay tuned. That'll be maybe my next video or probably the video after that, because my next video I already have planned out. But the video after that, I will be designing the new set that I'm putting on, and I will use a couple of the colors from this set. Already know what colors I'm going to use. Already have them picked because they are gorgeous. Look at this color right here, guys. This pink is freaking beautiful. Like, this is making me love pink. And this next one too, like, these are my favorite. They're so pretty. And like, I wish these colors had come out for summer because they're so pretty. Look at this brown though. Like, this is a perfect fall color. So beautiful. I really needed a dark brown like this, so I'm super excited to have it because it's just so pretty. So, of course, for all of my swatches, I do one layer, cure that, and then do a second layer just on the bottom half of the swatch stick so that you can see what it would look like with 1 coat and 2 coats. Some of these colors are fully pigmented in 1 coat, and some of them, like I said, are like more of like a jelly or a sheer, and they're just beautiful. They're just gorgeous. Wait for this. This is like breathtaking. This blue. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I never wear blue on my nails, guys. Like, never. And I'm going to wear blue after I have my fall sets done. Like, these blues are going to make a gorgeous winter set. Those 2 dark blues, one's more of like a royal and one's more of like a dark blue. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but they're so pretty. Look how pretty they are. And these are 2 that you could definitely mix with some top coat and get a jelly effect. Like, they're so pretty. I need more adjectives because these colors, like, I just can't describe them, and they're beautiful. And look at this glitter. Oh, this silver, and then next will be a gold. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Oh. Like, seriously, my breath was just taken away with some of these colors, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite color is because I just could not decide. And I had my light off here just so that you could kind of see better that jelly effect, but I think it was easier to see with the light on. So, sorry about that. And look at this. This is like a beautiful sky blue. Oh, so pretty. I am going to love using some of these colors for a winter set. I think maybe like I'll marble them or something because, oh my goodness. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I love it. You guys need to let me know what colors you want to see on a set next because I am just obsessed with so many of these colors. I couldn't decide. Also, you need to let me know. I had a lot of feedback. A lot of you guys loved my ghost story in my last video. I've had ghostly encounters for like my entire life, so I have a lot more stories. So if you guys want to hear them, let me know because I will share them. I don't exaggerate or anything because it's unnecessary. Like, these things happened. They scare the living crap out of me. So I just tell you guys exactly what happened. And I know the last one was very theatrical in the way that I, like, added the audio and everything to make it even creepier. That's because it was a Halloween set. But, like, it was legit, word for word, exactly what happened that night. And my husband still doesn't like when I talk about it because he's like, you're freaking me out. Shut up. Look at this gold, guys. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Sorry, I was a little out of frame there because, like, I was just too excited about this color. It was so pretty. And I think either this purple or the other purple is what I'm going to use in my next set in with the gold. I think it's going to be the other purple that's on the same stick as that gold. It's like the top color on the swatch stick. You'll see it here in the next frame. Let me know what you think. This purple that's here with the gray and black, or this purple that's on the swatch stick with them. I think this purple would match better, but you guys let me know what you think, and I will do that. So this gray and black, they're like one coat coverage. Like, you don't see any difference with that second coat because the pigment is just insane. So you don't need two coats, which is great because then you don't have to worry about any bulkiness. Okay, guys, it is time to pick my giveaway winner. Paste in my video. 21 comments found. Let's see who wins. So exciting, guys. Once again, I do want to say thank you to Beetles for sponsoring the giveaway. Hope you guys are excited. Let's see. Okay, guys. So super disappointing. I have picked 2 giveaway winners so far, and neither one followed the rules to the giveaway. So unfortunately, if you don't follow the rules, follow me and Beetles on Instagram, and are subscribed to me here on YouTube, then you can't win the giveaway. So that sucks, but just give someone else a chance to win. So let's go over and pick the winner. Okay, let's see who we got. Super exciting. Mrs. Carter. Oh, I'm so excited. You said you're just getting started and you need some things. So I'm going to go check and make sure you followed the rules to the giveaway. And if so, then I will reach out and let you know that you are the winner. Oh, super exciting. Congratulations. To anyone who did not win, don't get discouraged. I have another giveaway coming up soon that will be international, so everyone can enter. And I've got lots of little goodies going into that giveaway. So stay tuned. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you can view my videos and know when that giveaway is live. So let me go check and make sure that all the rules have been followed. And congratulations again to Mrs. Carter. I will reach out so I can get your shipping information so that Beetles can send you your prize. Okay, guys, that is all. These are all the colors in the set. Let me know what you want to see next and which are your favorite down below. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!